Hey guys, welcome to another video. My Logitech G105 keyboard, the E button broke, so let's unbox my new one. I have gotten myself a Razer Black Widow 2014. Shit, sorry, camera. Not used to this tripod, guys, I'm sorry. And yes, I'm using a different camera, one that records in 1080p. Yeah, so Razer Black Widow. I paid $139 for this. I got it down from $159, so that's good. Let's have a look at the box. Yeah, it does have green LEDs, so I might have to change a few things light-wise, but you know, I have a red LED in my mouse, red LED in my main monitor, so I'm sure it doesn't matter. Sorry, zoom out. Look at my hand. There we go. So Razer Black Widow. You can pause it and read that if you want. The camera would focus. It's got slow focus in this camera. Yeah, clicky keys with optimized tactile feel. What sound a little like this. So yes, it is a mechanical keyboard with mechanical switches as seen there. I don't know what's in this box, but it is heavy. What's this at the top? System requirements. I may need to buy myself a computer to use this. I'm joking, I already have a lot. Not really a lot, but I have 4. So yeah, then English US layout. Yeah, this is in the Razer Black Widow family, the middle of the range one. They didn't have the ultimate, and don't need the ultimate on the sides. It's just that. There's some keys. Need to go chop. Need something better than keys. Sorry guys, should have been more prepared. Let's try a screwdriver. This is a terrible video, I am sorry. Where'd that go? And now here. You guys aren't even getting to see what I'm doing. There we go, zoom in a bit. I know it's not that great, guys, I'm sorry. Need to get back in the swing of things when making videos. You just wouldn't believe how hard it is after having a month off to get back in the swing of things. Why am I this open? Oh, that's why. I sat in a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro today, imported all the way from the United States of awesome, and it's a very nice car. Alright, so let's zoom out. Open this. It's nice and green. I like green. Pull this out. I'm really hoping this keyboard comes with stickers. Okay, so that's it for the main box. Just chuck that over there. Should I take you guys off the tripod? How do I do that? There we go. Alright, so... Sorry, this is my mum's camera. Got random shit. Alright, so stuff that I'll just do it here because I need 2 hands. Razer, what are you doing? I don't even English. Don't you love that sound? It sounds so good. Maybe we can just flip it like that, and there we go. That's not how it works. Oh, is it? Oh, What's in here? Doesn't feel like anything's in here. No, nothing's in there. What is it? Just a keyboard or something? I was hoping for some stickers. Oh, yep, it's got stickers. This is a piece of plastic. Oh, that sounds so good. How in the tits do you open this shit? It's got an upgraded cable. That's nice. Okay, so we'll put the keyboard to the side. Have a look at what's in this little Razer package they've given me. So here you can sort of kind of see the Razer logo. What's it say on the back? Camera focus. That's supposed to say for gamers by gamers. Alright, so we have 5 minutes left on the camera. And I don't want to rip this. Open. And I ripped it a little bit. There we go. So here, you just have a little Apple style package. Please be stickers, please be stickers. Yes! I got some stickers. Alright, so congratulations, there's no turning back. Camera is not focusing. Won't focus. Then here we have another thing, just random advertising. A quick start guide, which is very thick. Don't know why, but yeah. What else is there important? Something or other. Blah blah blah. Oh, that's nice. I'll pack all this up later, so let's go have a look at the keyboard. Alright guys, I've got 3 minutes to go on the camera, so let's try and make most of it. It sounds really good. I'll plug it in and show you some more, or photos or something along those lines. Here we have 2 USBs. One would be for the keyboard and one would be for the side USB thingo. Then got some audio switches, sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm going to set it up and I'll be back with y'all. Alright, so there's my old keyboard. Here's my new one. I'm currently setting it up, installing something, and I should read the user guide because I don't know how to turn the backlights on. So yeah, I'll either be back when this is all done or not be back when this is all done. You'll find out soon. But before, I'm going to be slow typing because left hand. That's what it sounds like. Camera focus, you turd. Wow, this camera's not good for this sort of video, is it? Will zoom in work? No, zoom in makes it worse. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and if there's not another clip after this, I'll see you in the next video, and make sure to subscribe. Catch you around.